were much warmer than yesterday. We were in the teens for much of the day yesterday. We made it into the lower 30s for a lot of locations, but if you were east of Havre along the High Line, we were stuck in the single digits and teens. It's also a little bit chillier over in Helena today, where we did see those temperatures much of the day in the lower 20s. We did manage to make it up to 28 degrees, but we've got a very chilly night tonight in Helena. We are going to be down into the single digits. Now for the city of Great Falls, we are going to see those average high temperatures falling, of course, as we head through the month of December, but not by too much. We only get down to 35 degrees by the end of the month. So in November, we dropped by about 10 degrees. So we had that change of seasons into winter. And as far as snowfall, we generally see just under 10 inches of snowfall. It is a pretty dry month, but we've already seen 1.5 inches, and we have some more snow on the way this week with a winter weather advisory in effect. This is to the south of Great Falls. I do expect some of those snow showers to clip us in Great Falls, but the heavier snow is going to be to the south of Route 200, where we can expect 1 to 3 inches, including the city of Helena. And we could see some snow squalls like we saw last weekend for locations along I-90. So if you do have to travel along I-90, just keep in mind you are going to be dealing with snow-covered roads and the potential for some heavy bursts of snow Sunday night into your Monday morning. So it is going to be a pretty tricky Monday morning commute for a lot of areas, especially near I-90. So let's just time out that snow. We'll see increasing cloud cover throughout the day Sunday, even up into Great Falls, and for portions of north central Montana, that cloud cover does begin to increase. And you'll see that snow developing along I-90 from Missoula all the way to Billings throughout the evening on Sunday. Looks like after dusk is when we'll see that snow for Helena. Some bursts of heavier snow are possible, especially into the Bozeman area, and you'll see some of that snow is even making it over towards Lewistown by Monday morning. So again, there will be impacts on your Monday morning commute. Heading into the evening, we'll see that snow breaking up, but then we've got our next round of snow on the way. This one looks to impact north central and eastern Montana as that Arctic front does push in from the north, and those temperatures will be falling throughout your Monday evening into your Tuesday morning, and it is going to be a very chilly day on Tuesday with some snow showers around, and we'll continue to see those winter driving conditions throughout the day. Now, as far as accumulation, we're not going to see much of it throughout the day in Helena, but it's after dark when we start to notice that snow piling up down towards Bozeman. Could be looking at as much as 1/2 foot, and then we start to see our heavier snow here in central Montana as we get towards Monday night and Tuesday, especially on northern slopes of our mountain ranges from the Snowy Mountains over towards the Highwoods and the Little Belts. That's where we could be looking at as much as 1/2 foot of snow at higher elevations. As for tonight, it is going to be a pretty brutal night in northeastern Montana. Sub-zero temperatures possible. Single digits along the High Line with mid to upper teens throughout the rest of central Montana. Again, a little chillier in valleys tonight, where we'll see those temperatures falling into the single digits. But we're all going to be warming a bit tomorrow, with the exception of Helena, where we stay a little chillier, but we're into the upper 20s and even some low 30s here in central Montana tomorrow. We'll start off the day with some sunshine and close out the day with a lot of cloud cover and snow showers developing. And then it's a very cold day on Tuesday, 12 degrees, but this will be a short-lived round of Arctic air. We're clearing things up, and we are going to see that wind increasing on Wednesday, which helps those temperatures to warm to right around normal for this time of year, low to mid 30s. And for Helena, again, a chillier day tomorrow, but then our temperatures will be pretty consistent throughout the upcoming week in the mid to upper 20s. We don't really see that Arctic air reaching Helena as much as it does for the rest of north central Montana. But we are looking at our next round of snow for Monday night into Tuesday.